Hey, so check this out. When I had originally released me checking over this Honda lawnmower, you can see that in the first day I had 17 views. And it went up fairly sharply within the first 3 days to about 105 views. And then it gradually went up and up and up very slowly, maybe a view or two here or there every day, until about here when I decided, you know what, I'm going to try something new. I'm going to change the thumbnail. So that's what I did. I changed the thumbnail. So at the first 117 days, it garnered 251 views. Now watch what's happened over the past 17 days. It's gone up almost 100 views in just 17 days. Like, that was really impressive. And all I did was really change the title just a little bit, tweak the title, but I changed the thumbnail. That's it. Just change the thumbnail is the biggest change that I did with this video, and huge changes happened in just the views and the way that the YouTube algorithm picked it up.